gentle and natural product. Colorwear has a gentle formula with natural ingredients. Its vegan formula is free from ingredients of animal origin and animal-derived ingredients. It is a truly natural evolution of tone-on-tone color. It is free from Ammonia, Ammonia, PPD, alcohol, silicones. Innovative formula. Colorwear is a vegan tone-on-tone color that has a plant sugar-derived alkalizer and is enriched with a mix of oils that have nourishing, anti-oxidant and protective properties. The new innovative natural alkalizer is an amino acid called arginine. Arginine is an ingredient obtained by plant sugars, which make this high-performing tone-on-tone color in a very natural way. The use of this special alkalizer of 100% natural origin allows us to replace the most widespread and commonly used alkalizers like ammonia and Ammonia without sacrificing product performance. Additionally, the formula contains a blend of naturally originating oils that have nourishing antioxidant, protective and anti-frizz properties. This blend of oils includes camellia seed oil, sweet almond oil, argan oil, green tea oil, sunflower seed oil. These oils undergo a fermentation process which enhances their effectiveness by dividing the most complex molecules into simpler molecules, thus making the blend of ingredients more bioavailable for the hair. This is enhanced by a delicate, fresh and fruity fragrance featuring elegant floral heart notes. Our tests confirm it. Hair integrity, up to plus 38% of hair integrity. Combability, hair is 11 times more combable. Dynamic shine, up to 149% more shine measured while the hair is moving. Color fade, up to 92% color retention after 12 washes. Alignment of colors. The new colorwear shades are aligned with those of the current evolution of the color cube. This choice allows an even and aligned color result for every client. Moreover, all the shades are mixable with Oxid O, the line of Alfaparf Milano peroxides, which now includes a 5-volt activator. Services. With colorwear, you can perform all the services associated with the tone-on-tone color. First color, glosser service, toning after bleaching, enhanced grey and white hair, grey hair coverage, blending grey hair particularly for men, refreshing lengths and ends, toning after form services,